Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. I am your mathematics teacher, Muhammad Amjad Said from Pakistan International School 5. And we will continue our lecture number 9 from 10th class. And we will have, inshallah, exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. Number 1 is 2x plus 5 is equal to 7x plus 16 whole under root. This is your equation number 1. Here is squaring both sides. Actually, we have to find the value of the variable x. So, to remove this radical sign, we will take square on both sides. Squaring both sides. 2x plus 5 whole square is equal to 7x plus 16 under root whole square. Open up the formula of square. First square, 4x square plus 2 into first into second plus second square. Remember that first square plus 2 into first second plus second square. First square you can write down even 2x whole square like that. First square just like the last one. 2 and square will cancel out. 7x plus 16. Here is 4x square plus 20x plus 25 minus 7x minus 16 is equal to 0. Here is 4x square plus 20x minus 7x, that will be plus 13x, and then plus, here is 25 minus 16, that is 9 equals 0. We have to make the pairs. For example, we can make the pair. Here is 9 4 to 36 and 9 plus 4 is 13. So this is very easy. First of all, multiply 36x square, 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 4 and 9, 3 and 12. So which pair is making 13 after adding, subtracting and multiplying with plus 36? Definitely this is 9 and 4. And bigger component will have the sign of center term. Here is 4x square plus 4x plus 9x plus 9 is equal to 0. 4x common, x plus 1 plus 9 common, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here you can write down x plus 1 into 4x plus 9, that is equal to 0. Implies that x plus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 9 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 and 4x is equal to minus 9 and x is equal to minus 9 over 4. Dear students, these are the two values of x. But we are not confirmed that these values of x are your solution set or not. Because sometime we will have the value of the variable x, y, z which will not satisfy your first equation. That will be an extra root, that will be an extraneous root. Extraneous root means that root which does not satisfy your given equation. It will be a false root. It will be a root which is not the real one. So it is known as extraneous root and it will not be the part of your solution set. So that's why before saying anything, before confirm your solution set, we will check it. Checking will be done in this case. Here the radical signs are involved. Sometime you will get correct and sometime wrong. So that's why checking. We will do checking before writing your solution set. Using x is equal to -1 in equation number 1. 2 into -1 plus 5. 7 into -1 plus 16 under root. -2 plus 5 minus 7 plus 16. This is 3. 16 minus 7 is 9 under root, that is 3. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yes, x minus 1 is a part of your solution set. Similarly, we will do x is equal to -9 over 4 in equation number 1 again. We will apply this second value of x, -9 over 4. Okay, -9 over 4. Using this, 2 into -9 over 4 plus 5. 7 into -9 over 4 plus 16 under root. Here 2 will cancel 4. 2 5s are 10 and 10 minus 9 is 1 over 2. Again 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 9 is 1 over 2. This is the shortcut to solve. Here is -63. -9 into 7 is -63 and 4 16 the 64 over 4 under root. That will be 1 over 4 under root, and you know that 1 over 4 under root is 1 over 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Dear students, we have confirmed, we have checked that both are your solution set members. That is your answer. So this is the way how we will solve such questions. After that, we will have question like the similar one. Question number 2 is exactly similar to question number 1, same method, same technique. And in question number 3, I think we can take question number 3. (4x) is equal to 13x plus 14 under root and minus 3. 4x equal to 13x plus 14 under root minus 3. This is your equation number 1. First of all, you will bring this minus 3 to the left hand side and exactly simplify the same by the question number 1. Just we did that. 4x plus 3, 13, it was 13x I think. Yes, 13x plus 14 under root. After that, scaling both sides. 4x plus 3 whole square, 13x plus 14 under root whole square. Open up the formula, first square plus 2 into first into second plus second square, 2 and square root cancelled out. 13x plus 14. Here is 16x square plus 24x plus 9 minus 13x minus 14 is equal to 0. Here we have 16x square plus this will be 11x and minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 5 is equal to 0. So we have A is equal to 16, B is equal to 11 and C is equal to minus 5. Using, first of all, we will write down A is equal to 16, B is equal to 11 c is equal to minus 5. Using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a, x is equal to minus 11 plus minus 11 square minus 4 into a into c. That will be equal to 2 into 16. X is equal to minus 11 plus minus 121 plus minus minus plus, and this will be 320 divided by 32. Divided by 32. Here we will have x is equal to minus 11 plus minus, this will be 441 under root over 32, and x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 441 can be taken as, this will be square root 21 over 32. Here we will write down once negative, once positive. Value of x, once negative, once positive. We can write down x is equal to minus 11 plus 21 over 32. X is equal to minus 11 minus 21 over 32. There x is equal to what will be 10 over 32, and that will be minus 32 over 32. So x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 5 over 16. X is equal to 5 over 16. And now, before we write down our solution set, we have to check whether any number is extraneous root or not. We have to check it. For checking purpose, we will use the values of x in your equation number 1, 1 by 1. Checking. Using x is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. 4 into minus 1 is equal to 13 into minus 1 plus 14 under root and minus 3. This is minus 4 minus 13 plus 14 minus 3. Minus 4 is 14 minus 13 is 1, 1 under root minus 3, that is 1 minus 3, and this is minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So x is equal to minus 1 is not the solution set member, it is an extraneous root. Similarly, we will apply this value using x is equal to 5 over 16 in equation 1. 4 into 5 over 16, 13 into 5 over 16 plus 14 under root and minus 3. Here you will have, we cancel out 5 over 4 is equal to, what will be that? 5 over 16. You can check it. 45 over 16 plus 14 under root minus 3. We have 16 LCM, 45 and 16 multiplied by 14, 2 to 4, minus 3. After that will be 269 over 16 under root minus 3. Left hand side 5 over 4 as it is. Here we can check 5 over 4. Remember that 269 it will be 269 here is 269 under root over 4 minus 3 This will be 16.4. That will be divided by divided by 4. You are getting this 4 minus 3. That is 5 over 4 is approximately 1, 1 is equal to 1, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So in this way you can check, after dividing, simplifying, both sides are equal, so that's why we can have the solution set is 5 over 16 and you will write down minus 1 is extraneous root. I have simplified, divided and taking square root and then divided by 8. It is approximately the 4 and 4 minus 3 is 1 and that is equal to your answer. So approximately that is equal to 1. So in this way you can check your answer whether it is correct or not. Any number which is not satisfying your given equation, that will be an extraneous root. Similarly, you can have question number 4. I hope that question number 4 is similar. You will bring this x on the other side and you can solve it, you can find it. So in this way, we will do it. After that, question number 5 and 6 are same. So I am taking question number 6. X plus 1 under root plus x minus 2 under root is equal to x plus 6 under root. This time on both sides we have radical signs. This is your number 1, scaling both sides. Scaling both sides, x plus 1 under root plus x minus 2 under root whole square, that will be equal to x plus 6 under root whole square. Open up the formula of square. This is first square plus second square plus 2 into first second. Same formula, first square plus 2 into first into second plus second square, that is equal to x plus 6 square and square root cancelled out. Remember that there is a positive sign between two terms. We will apply the formula of a plus b whole square. 2 and square root cancelled out. 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 2. In case of multiplication, you can write down in the single radical sign. Here you will have 2x minus 1, this is x plus x, 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Bring this x plus 6 on left hand side also. Here you can see 2x minus x is x, minus 1 minus 6, that is minus 7, plus 2 into x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Dear students, bring this term to the right hand side and square again, just like your question number 1. X minus 7 minus 2 into x square minus x minus 2. Squaring again, x minus 7 square minus 2 into x square minus x minus 2 whole square. Again open up the formula of square. That will be x square minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 4. Remember that the square is on minus 2 also. And square root cancelled out, x square minus x minus 2. Here we will have x square minus 14x plus 49, 4x square minus 4x minus 8. Bring, this is 4x square positive, bring this term to the right hand side. We will have 4x square minus 4x plus 14x minus 8 minus 49. 0 is equal to, and then minus x square. Actually this minus x square is shifted to the other side also. So 4x square minus x square minus 4x plus 14x. Okay, this is 3x square plus 10x minus 57 minus 57. Here we will have the quadratic formula to solve this equation. We can take this: a is equal to 3, b is equal to 10, c is equal to minus 57. Applying the formula, quadratic formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a minus 10 plus minus 10 square minus 4a and c divided by 2 into 3. Here we will have x is equal to minus 10 plus minus 100 plus, that will be equal to multiplying them 684 over 6. Okay, we will have minus 10 plus minus. If you add them, it will be 784 over 6 minus 10 plus minus. 784 is basically what we will have 28 over 6. So dear students, we will have the two values of x and after that we will check for the extraneous root. You will write down one's positive, one's negative. X is equal to minus 10 plus 28 over 6. Then minus 10 minus 28 over 6. So x is equal to 18 over 6 and minus 38 over 6. So x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 19 over 3. These are two values of x. Here you can check for the extraneous root. Checking using x is equal to 3 in equation number 1. 3 plus 1 under root, 3 minus 2 under root, 3 plus 6 under root, that is 9 under root. Here is 4 under root plus 1 under root. This is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 is equal to 3. That is your answer. Solution. And if you apply this minus 19 over 3, then you can check that it will be the extraneous root and it will not satisfy left hand side equal to right hand side. I hope that you can do it. Using x is equal to minus 19 over 3 in equation number 1, minus 19 over 3 plus 1, minus 19 over 3 minus 2 under root, minus 19 over 3 plus 6. 3 6 are 18 and this is minus 1 over 3 under root. Here is minus 16 over 3 under root. This will be minus 25 over 3 under root. Clearly, if you solve, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Hence, the solution set is 3 and minus 19 over 3 extraneous. You can write on this way. I hope that you understood this lesson. And dear students, you can solve which part I have left for you at home. And if there is any confusion, any problem, then you can contact me. Inshallah, I will do it. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu Alaikum.